Hi, welcome to HR Quest. I'm Kaushik. Often during interviews, interviewers will be willing to ask you a very simple question to understand about your uniqueness or your USP, that is known as unique selling proposition. So the question can be framed in this manner. Could you please tell us something about your uniqueness and what makes you unique? Well, no trait, no particular competency or job experience can make you unique in today's world, because there are thousands and millions of people who have been competing for the same job. So it is a quick and simple formula of integration and combination of your strengths and competencies and even your experience. So when you really want to deal with this question, avoid speaking about only one characteristics or skills that makes you very different. For example, a lot of people say leadership skills would be my USP. What do you mean to say others cannot have those leadership qualities? It is never going to be the right answer. If you really want to give an impactful answer to showcase your uniqueness, the best thing is to talk about integration of your knowledge, skills, competencies and exposure. When you integrate things together, you become unique. So you choose one or two traits that will be relevant to the job. You also choose one or two significant achievements or your exposure towards the job. At the same time, your learning curve and knowledge that makes you very different as compared to others. When you integrate all the things together, you become bundle of talent, and that makes you unique. So uniqueness is never about only one trait, rather it is a combination of your traits, your competencies and most importantly your knowledge and education. If you follow this simple technique to define your answer or to create your answer, take my words, you will be really sounding unique. To know more about such kind of interview questions and how you can give unique answers to those questions, do visit www.hrquest.com. Thank you.